Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about some breaking news with Ripple. They could be forced to burn 48 billion tokens, so the token supply would be down to say 50 billion. And this is huge news. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to reveal two more words for our free Ethereum giveaway. I'm also going to cover how you can get the Spark token airdrop, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, so then you'll get notified when I upload my videos immediately. So let's get into it. Ripple CTO says community could force the company to burn 48 billion XRP. Ripple could be forced to burn its entire XRP holdings if the community votes for it. The company CTO David Schwartz has confirmed. Schwartz has admitted the company could be forced by validators to burn 48 billion tokens. Regardless of if it agrees with the decision or not, the company currently holds half the total XRP supply and has come under fire from the community for selling off tokens in the past, although it resolutely refuted claims of the price manipulation and has stopped practicing in recent times. So what they're talking about is the coins that are supposed to be held in escrow for the majority stakes, which is a big criticism that I've had in the past of Ripple, and why I'm not a fan of Ripple, simply because most of the supply is controlled by the team, and it's getting away from decentralization. However, if this happens, if Ripple is forced to burn 48 billion tokens, I may consider investing back into Ripple. I bought Ripple when it first came out. Like, I had a huge stake in Ripple. I had, well, not huge stake, but for the average person, it was more than average. And this was in 2017. So I made some profit on Ripple. I sold all my Ripple. I got out of it at about 44 cents, 46 cents, I think. It was a while back, some 3 years ago, I can't remember. And I haven't touched Ripple since. So we look at it today, it has gone up to 60 cents. So there's a couple of reasons, primarily being the Flare network. All right, so this Flare network is launching, and you can actually get one-to-one, and that's the reason why Ripple's pumped. They will give you free network Flare tokens. What's the value of them? There's no value at the moment, okay? It's just like, hey, you're going to get your free tokens, and all you need to do is to have Ripple. Okay, so that's why this price is pumped. However, because of this news, if this happens, like, the price of Ripple could reach, $1.20. It could basically double. If you cut the supply in half, it could double. $1.20, low $2, $1.80, $1.60. Look, if they burn this, it's just mathematically, this is going to pump. This is going to pump. So it's going to be no brainer to purchase. And I've said in the past, I didn't like Ripple because their business is to help the banks, and it's something that I didn't want to get involved in. But with these new updates, and of course crypto changes all the time, all right? Burning your tokens, it's just a no-brainer. It's like, dude, do you want to make money? Well, just buy some Ripple. When it pumps, then sell. That's probably what I may do. I will wait for the news. If they burn this, it's going to pump like crazy. It's going to pump. And also, the battered bonus is also you're going to get free Flare tokens, right? So it makes it hard not to want free money. Okay, even if you're not a Ripple fan, it just makes it hard. One, it's going to pump because if the burning happens, it's a no-brainer. And two, you're going to get free Flare network tokens. So it's like a no-brainer, really. Like, you'd have to be a fool not to buy some, even if you're just going to buy some just for the pump and just to get the free Flare network tokens, and then just sell out after that. It'd still be worth it. You'll still make money, in my opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice. So how do you get this Flare Network token? Because they're going to give you 1-to-1 ratio, which is so kind of them. Okay, all you need to do is to buy Ripple, hence why it pumped, and you can buy Ripple from pretty much all the exchanges: Binance, Bitfinex, Coinbase Pro, Bitstamp, Bitbank, Kraken, Bitnum, ShitBTC, like pretty much OKX. Pretty much every exchange has got Ripple, right? KuCoin, and then just find a supporting exchange that will give you the Flare airdrop. The easiest way for me is Binance. So Binance support it. Binance will support the Spark airdrop program for XRP holders. The airdrop snapshot will take place at the first validated XRP ledger index number with a timestamp greater or equal to 20th 12/12/00 AM UTC. So what that basically means is, if you want the free Spark tokens 1-to-1, all you need to do is just buy some Ripple and it'll automatically be in your soft wallet. Then just wait till 12th of the 12th. Today it's the 6th of the 12th. You have 6 or 7 days to basically buy Ripple and just leave it in Binance account. When they take a snapshot, you will get Spark tokens, okay? That's all you got to do. Really simple. Now you need to have a balance of over 10 to get it. So if you have under 10 XRP, you won't be eligible for the airdrop. So there it is, guys. If you want to take part in the airdrop, find a supporting exchange, buy the tokens, for example, Binance, let them sit there. 12th to 12th, 000 AM UTC, you'll be eligible when they take the snapshot. Okay. Also, if this burn happens and if it goes through, which I'll let you guys know if it does, the price of XRP is gonna probably double as soon as this news comes out. So I mean, you may want to buy it now, you want to wait till later. That's up to you. Okay, and lastly, I said I would reveal 2 more words for the Ethereum giveaway, and here they are. So I already revealed the first 2 words yesterday, which were exclude and boss, and here are the 2 new words for today: voyage and leg. So the remaining words that you need to unjumble are these ones here: fiber, donkey, exit, pattern, yellow, animal, issue, around. All you need to do is just go to myetherwallet.com and click on software, then click on mnemonic phrase, click on that, and then here you'll obviously enter the first 4 words. Exclude, boss, voyage, leg. So those ones I've already done for you. Now you just need to guess the other 8 words. Okay, and tomorrow, if no one wins this, there's currently, what's this? It's gone up by 30 cents because Ethereum has gone up. There's basically $19.65 in this account. If you get it right, you get access to the account, withdraw the Ethereum. If no one wins it, obviously, I'll do 2 more words tomorrow, so then there'll only be 6 words. So you guys that want to win the Ethereum, have a guess, have a crack, and see if you win it. Guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on Ripple. Are you a fan? Do you think it's going to pump? Are you going to participate in the free Spark token airdrop? Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I upload my new videos. And I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50 plus HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.